Number 1. 1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,500, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 150,000 miles on the odometer, it has been carefully driven and continues to run and drive great. This particular 3500 comes in a classic white exterior complemented by a gray interior, which remains in good condition considering its age. The cabin shows normal wear but has been kept clean and well preserved over the years. Mechanically, the truck performs as it should. The engine starts smoothly, delivers solid power, and provides a reliable driving experience whether used for work or daily driving. The transmission shifts properly, contributing to its overall dependable performance. While the rear brakes are slightly weak, the truck still stops without any problems and remains safe to operate. Additionally, the tags are up to date, meaning the vehicle is road ready for its next owner. Number 2. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, well-maintained classic pickup that remains in impressive condition for its age. This model has traveled 270,000 miles and is powered by a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Despite its mileage, the truck drives like new and continues to perform reliably. It features a green exterior with a fresh respray in its original color. While there are minor paint runs and small imperfections, the overall appearance remains very appealing. The interior comes in gray, complementing the classic exterior look. The air conditioning blows cold, adding to driving comfort. Recent upgrades and maintenance include a new clutch, new radiator, new front brake calipers, and new hubs, ensuring the truck is mechanically sound and ready for the road. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,200, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 350 engine with 200,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and a 2-wheel drive setup, making it a solid choice for daily work or hauling needs. Finished in white with a red interior, this long bed truck also comes equipped with a camper shell for added utility. This gasoline-powered pickup runs and drives exceptionally well, with everything functioning as it should. It has ice-cold air conditioning, power windows, and power door locks for added comfort and convenience. Recent updates include a new headliner, new tires, and a new battery, ensuring it is ready to go without any immediate needs. The seller holds a clear Nevada title in hand, making the transaction straightforward and hassle-free. Number 4. 2000 Ford F150, price $8,500, powered by a 4.2L V6 engine paired with a manual transmission. It has 264,000 miles and runs and drives exceptionally well. Finished in black with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck is presented as a Lightning clone and retains all original Ford body panels, with no fiberglass replicas. The vehicle has received important maintenance prior to being listed for sale, including a replaced clutch kit, master cylinder, and rear main seal, completed while the transmission was removed. It may benefit from a routine tune-up to keep it in optimal condition. The truck sits on 20-inch wheels with good tires and is equipped with a tow hitch package. The air conditioning blows extremely cold, and the body remains solid with no rust or silicone around the window trims, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Number 5. 1998 Chevrolet S10, price $5,000, well-maintained compact pickup that offers reliability and efficiency. This truck has 187,000 original miles and is powered by its original 4-cylinder gasoline engine, known for being fuel-efficient and extremely dependable. It comes with a manual transmission, providing a more engaging driving experience. Finished in black with a clean gray interior, the exterior paint remains in immaculate condition, and the interior has been exceptionally well preserved. It features a bed liner for added durability and protection. The truck has a clean title, has had only one owner, and has no accident history. It runs and drives strong, starts without any issues, and has been carefully maintained, making it a solid and reliable choice for anyone seeking a dependable small pickup. Number 6. 1988 Ford F250, price $4,200, equipped with a 5.0L V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 2WD. It has 75,000 miles, runs on gasoline, comes in white, and holds a clean title. It passes smog and has current registration valid through June 2026, owned for about a year and used as a daily driver. The truck runs and drives well. All lights and the heater function properly. While solid overall, it does have an oil leak and a minor power steering fluid leak, typical for a vintage truck. Recent maintenance includes cooling system and brake work, new mud terrain tires, fresh fluids, new plugs and wires, ignition components, starter and solenoid, drive belt, plus a modern CarPlay stereo with kicker door speakers, making it a dependable and well-kept classic.
Number 7.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,900, well-kept full-size pickup that has remained in the same family since new and has had only 2 owners.
It currently shows 326,000 miles on the chassis and is paired with an automatic transmission.
Finished in brown with a matching brown interior, this gasoline-powered truck offers a classic and cohesive look that reflects its era. Under the hood, it is equipped with a 5.7-liter 350 V8 engine. The motor was replaced and has approximately 150,000 miles on it, providing plenty of dependable life ahead. In addition to its strong V8 performance, the truck features power steering, power locks, and power windows, making it comfortable and convenient for everyday driving. The air conditioning system blows ice cold, adding to the overall comfort of the cabin. The truck runs and drives great, delivering solid road manners and reliable performance.
Number 8.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,500, dependable full-size pickup equipped with a 5.3 LLS V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This gasoline-powered truck has 217,000 miles and continues to run and drive great, reflecting the durability the Silverado line is known for. It features a green exterior and a practical 6.5-foot bed, making it well-suited for hauling, light-duty work, or everyday use. The truck rides on 4 matching Michelin tires, adding confidence and stability on the road. While it shows cosmetic wear, including several dents consistent with its age and use, it remains mechanically solid and ready to work. Please note that the vehicle does not have air conditioning. A clean title is in hand, making the sale straightforward.
Number 9.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,900. This truck has 198,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a sleek black exterior paired with a tan interior, and it runs on gasoline, lowered with an RC lowering kit. This Chevrolet 1500 has an aggressive and clean stance. It is powered by a 350 TBI engine mated to a 700 R4 transmission, delivering smooth and dependable performance.
A brand new driveshaft has recently been installed, ensuring improved driveline reliability.
The truck runs great and does not require any immediate mechanical attention. Aside from needing a rear bumper, the wheels have been freshly painted in classic Chevy style and are fitted with brand new tires, making it road-ready. With no rust present, this pickup stands as either an excellent project truck or a dependable daily driver in its current condition.
Number 10.
1972 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, classic heavy-duty pickup powered by a 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and an NP205 transfer case. This gasoline-powered truck has 153,070 miles on the odometer and features a striking yellow exterior complemented by a white interior. It is described as a running and driving project vehicle, offering a solid foundation for restoration or customization. The truck does have rust on the lower cab corners and the bed, which is typical for its age. In the past couple of months, several components have been replaced or updated, including parts of the suspension, braking system, interior, and wiring.